po jako akawuwo.
Ebintu ebibalirwamu ensimbi esoba mu bukadde 4 bye bitokomose mu muliro ogukutte ebisulo by'abayizi ebeera ddala binabirambirira ku ssomero lya Bwera Senior Secondary School mu district e Kasese.
As we were sitting above our beds, we just saw fire in the windows, so we decided to go out and go and inform those people in school.
As we were seated there eating, power went off in our dome.
Inside?
Yeah, the other side. As power went off, as the windows were open, we saw fire in our 2 domes. So we had to get out and we had to make an alarm. So those people from nursing, maybe they had our alarm, and also a scary came in and we started removing one of our property in our dormitories.
N'ebintu by'abayizi omuli emifaliso, ebitabo, engoye sako n'ebirala tewali kiwonyeewo wabula ng'ekyomukisa omulungi tewali muyizi yenna akoseddwa mu njege eno.
The meter was okay. The main control point was also okay. But we wondered why at the entry points, at the exit and entry. So at the end we had to find out that there was an intruder whom we don't know, who had to ignite the fire.
Okusinziira kwa myuka kuli essomero lino Reverend Misa Kibulemu, omuliro guno gwalibanga guvudde ku masannyalaze obwedde agavaako nga bwe gakomawo sinakindi abantu ababi abagukolezezza mu bugenderevu nga bwannyonnyola.
Of this fire, our suspicions were on electricity because before the incident there was an incident of power coming and going off. So we suspected that possibly one of the bulbs could have caused that. But when we look also at the situation, we see that the fire started at 2 entry points to the dormitory areas.
Reverend Bulemu akoowodde abazira kisa bonna ssaako ne gavumenti okubadduukirira okulaba nga abazzaawo ebisulo by'abayizi ebyasaanyeewo so nga n'abamu ku bayizi baliko bye bannyonnyodde ku njege eno.
To many people who with a good heart to render in, because like last night students just slept on benches and we failed of course to accommodate them. We just put them in classrooms, and some opted, they got friends to share with, but we are actually in dire need because how to help these students.
Adumira poliisi mu bbendobendo ly'e Rwenzori East SP Otim Bosco atuuseko ku ssomero lino bw'atyo n'asaba abazadde obuteeraliikirira era ng'ono akakasizza nti okunoonyereza ekituufu ekyavuddeko omuliro guno kutandikiddewo bunnambiro.
To remain strong. We were at the scene, we saw some of the parents totally worn out. We have not lost life, but our students, they have lost properties, but these properties can be got. The most important thing is life is there. And the parents, we are there. We only need support in this.
Robert Kule yakusakidde eggulire lino okula ABS Television.
Reverse.